Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want, and I pray.
Showbiz Kachika TV.
Hello mga kachika! Last 5 days nga May 19, 2025 ay isinelebrate nga ni Marjorie Barreto ang kanyang ika-51st birthday. Kasama nga ang kanyang mga anak, sila nga ay lumipad papuntang Boracay. Present nga ang kanyang 4 na anak na sila Danny Barreto, Julia Barreto, Leon at Claudia. Para nga i-celebrate ang kanyang birthday celebration at syempre naroon din nga ang kanyang mga apo na sila Millie at Riley. But this time ay absent nga si Claudia dahil bagong kasal nga lang ito at mukhang nasa honeymoon stage pa kasama ang kanyang asawa. Sweet dinner by the beach nga ang tema ng kanyang birthday celebration at talaga namang nagulat nga daw siya at nasurpresa sa pag-spoil sa kanya ng kanyang mga anak. At ang kanyang caption ay, "How my 51st birthday started today and how it's going so far. My heart is full and it's only 3:30 in the afternoon. Thank you for sending all your love and messages today. Thank you to my amazing children for taking me to my happy place and for spoiling me all the time. And how do I begin to thank God for giving me all the grace, protection, provision, family, true friends, good health, strength, and peace. Today, as I turn my new page, I choose to be grateful and joyful every day for the rest of my life." Super thankful nga siya sa kanyang mga anak. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanyang ibinahagi sa kanyang social media account.
I love you, Riley. Come, Miri Chris, Lala.
Gaya's birthday today. Happy birthday, Lala. It's Lala's birthday.
Kiss Lala naman. I love you,
Say
Miri.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I love you.
Wait now. I want to take pictures of you.
Come, let's go, darling. Come with Lala. It's my birthday.
Hey, the door, guys.
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Yeah! Nice, and it looks fantastic.
Yes, we'll save it.
Okay, wait, we'll put in the ref.
It's supposed to be my birthday and Mother's Day gift.
What?
Just so you're happy.
I'm not happy with anything.
It's a housekeeper.
Oh my god, thank you.
Wait,
It's a pot. Open it.
What the heck?
oh, God.
Open it.
It's a Rolex? Oh my god, they got me a watch.
Wow. That's so nice.
Oh my God.
Send it to happiness. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!